Hi and welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Here we have a 2002 Jaguar XK8 4-litre V8. It's the facelifted edition and it's in platinum silver with Nimbus leather. Just walk you around it. Just a quick video. As soon as we'd just finished the car, preparing it. Excuse the noise in the background. This is absolutely spotless, inside and out. Done 33,000 miles from new. Full service history. Sports exhausts, boot spoiler, rear parking sensors, no corrosion on this car whatsoever. Been fully wax oiled underneath. Just had a full engine service including new spark plugs. And been fully machine polished and detailed, and it's received a full ceramic exterior coating. Absolutely stunning, this car. Headlight wash. I'll just show you underneath the bonnet. Unmarked leather, as you'd expect on a car with this low mileage. Beautiful wood veneer set. I'll just show you this side. New headlining, fitted recently. Wooden gear knob. As new, never been sat in there with the look of that. This car benefits from a premium sound system and a CD auto changer, obviously radio. Everything works on this car as it should. It's got rain sensitive wipers and auto lights, and there you go, 4-litre V8. It's nice to have a sunny day so we can do the videos and the photographs outside, so you can see a little bit better. Beautiful bonnet, no dents in the car, no scuffs, no scratches, no chips. I think it's as near to new as what you're ever going to get with an XK8. As you can see, all the wheel arches, the bottoms of the doors, the sills, the rear arches, it's all been wax oiled for protection, so you can have confidence using this car potentially all year round. There you go, driver's side. Beautiful car. They are really something special, these, especially the dashboard and all the interior. It's a work of art, really. All electric seats in the front. Auto dimming rear view mirror. It's got cruise control. All the trims around the windows, around the doors, around the windows, they're all fantastic condition. There's no corrosion, as you can see. no corrosion around any of the metallic window frames. There you go. Difficult to see in there, isn't it? That's it. CD stack here, you can see it's immaculate. There you go, another stunning car from the Malton Motor Company. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And you'll get the notifications then that we've got new videos coming. There you go. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.